What you doing?
Looking for dinner.
In the cabin?
Well, I haven't moved to the fridge yet. Let's take a look, see what's in the fridge. What do you feel like anyway?
Something quick and easy.
I like quick and easy. Let's see. Well, we got some leftover chicken from the other night.
That'll work.
It's a start. Hey, empanadas. How about some chicken empanadas?
Buffalo chicken empanadas.
Buffalo chicken empanadas. I think we're onto something. Let's get going. But first, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified when I create a new video. Like and share this video, it really helps out the channel. Now let's get into the recipe. What does empanada mean? In the bread. So you have a dough, something in the dough. Kind of makes sense. Anything you can put in there, it's an empanada. So before I get to the chicken, I've got some of these green onions and a couple of stalks of celery that we're gonna dice up real small. We'll get these chopped celery and onion into our bowl so we can start on shredding the chicken. You want it to be kind of cold. You don't want it hot. So if you're going to cook it, let it cool for a while. And now you can use a fork. You can chop it up. It's up to you. I think if you just get in there with the fork, just making small pieces. This was just a roasted chicken with some basic seasoning. I think I just used a Mexican style seasoning on this. Break them up. They don't have to be perfect. You just want to make sure that they fit in the wrapper. The wrapper is only about a 4-inch wrapper. Let's take all that. Get that in the bowl. Get some of these juices in there too. That'll give it some flavor. So whatever juices are left in the container is great. Okay. And for the hot sauce, the regular red hot cayenne pepper type sauce. And I'm just going to pour in just, I don't know, a couple of tablespoons, depending on how much you're making. All right, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of melted butter in there. Everything's better with butter. Come on, we're air frying. It's got to be healthy. Okay, give this a little toss around. And I've got some feta. If you got blue cheese, use blue cheese. That works good. I got feta in the house. How much easier can you get? Yeah, I don't have to go to the store to buy any. So let's get it all in there. Why not? It's all there. Some onion powder. And a little bit of garlic powder. Like I said, I've already seasoned the chicken, so we don't need a whole lot. Here. How about some red hot stinging honey garlic? This has got a little bit of bite to it, so I'm not going to use a whole lot. We've got plenty of hot sauce in there. But it does have a nice roasted garlic flavor to it. Put that in there. And some cheddar jack. This is some orange and white cheddar jack. If I can get this open. Let me just cut that open here. Yeah, we're not messing around today. We're doing it quick. Maybe about, let's see, this is 8 ounce. We're going to use about 4 ounces. To start, so we can use more later if we need it. Get in there. I'm just going to use my hands. Toss that around, roll it up so everything gets nice and coated. These empanada shells are very soft. You want to make sure you take them out of the fridge, about 15-20 minutes earlier. If you get them frozen, make sure you thaw them out in the fridge. So they're very soft. They come with this plastic. So it's easier to fold. You don't get all tacky and all. All right, so I'm going to take some of this mixture here, maybe about a tablespoon, not a whole lot. Okay, get that right in the middle, like that. We're going to hit it with some of this water all the way around, just to be able to stick them together. All right, and use the plastic to kind of get it together here. So if you find that you have a little too much, just just stuff it in there. It'll be fine. You know, you can pull it out. It's up to you. So get all the ends together like that. All right. So you have this little half moon shape. Now, it's not really sealed at this point. Use a fork and kind of give it a press. Press down and just pull away like that. That'll help seal the edges. Okay, doesn't that look nice? Huh? Okay, now you can roll it if you like. Sometimes some people will roll it this way here to kind of braid it. You know, I like the fork method. I just think it's looks nicer. It kind of sits flatter, so you don't have big, thick ends on them. I'm gonna finish making the rest. Just a little tip, when you're done making them, let them cool in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. So I just took these empanadas out of the fridge. I kept them in there for about 5 or 10 minutes. You want to dry them out a little bit. You want to make sure that they're dry. I mean, you can keep them there overnight and get them really dry. That'll help toast them up. Before I get them into the air fryer oven, I've got a little bit of egg wash here. So we're just gonna hit it with a little egg wash just to give it some nice color. All right, just gonna get some of that. And the egg wash is just egg with a little bit of water in it. So I've got a basket here. The air fry oven's been preheating now for about 5 minutes at 425. We're not gonna cook it at that temperature. We're going to about 400 for about 10 minutes or until they get nice and golden brown. All right, I got my Kalorik air fryer oven here. Just gonna slide this into the middle, right there. Close the door, hit start, air fry. Gonna get the temperature 400 degrees and the timer, we're gonna go about 10 minutes. All right, the Kalorik Empanada coming out here. Just waited for it to stop. Take a look at those. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. Okay, so let's eat these buffalo empanadas, buffalo chicken empanadas. They're still kind of warm, so you know, I'm gonna have to dig in here hot. I'm gonna give this a taste right now. Hey, that one's mine.
Oh boy, that's mine!
Oh no, man. Now I only got 3. It's all right. We'll make more. I've got a ranch, kind of a ranch and basil dip here. Did kind of kill the heat a little bit. Also, the basil brings out a little sweetness too. Let's give this a taste here. Oh. Nice crunch. Yeah, the shell on this gets nice and crispy. It's almost like a pie shell. It's really nice. Now these are gonna puff out. You're not gonna get complete filling in this. You're gonna get some air in there, but that's fine. Let's have another little bite here before she comes back. Awesome. I hope you enjoy this chicken buffalo empanada recipe. Real quick, real easy. Can make it anytime. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give me some thumbs up. Click that bell to get notified when I put out new videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.